where the plate's gonna go. Installed a piece of wood here to hold on.
That's on there.
Alright, bolts are in place. Oh, it's a retractable water hose kit. It's supposed to be simple. All you do is put that in there, huh? Put the pin through. What? That easy. Look how easy it was to put together.
Extremely easy.
Look at that. Swivels. Gardening just got easier. Washing the boats just got easier. And you get this is, I think he said 7 feet. So it's got a quick release. There you go. You just pull down on this collar here. Oh, wow.
You got a master shut off right here.
All the spray patterns. It swings and it goes with you. It's pretty far. Almost to the lake. That's nice. Stop where you in, and there's the stopper. Move this up to the very tip top, so now we can just wash our hands if we turn on the hose. Yep. Thank you, Lowe's. Another Lowe's find, huh?
Yep, the spigot.
We had a cheap one on there.
This one's a lot nicer. I love this one. It's
Very
good,
sturdy.
Good valve.
Yeah. Love this thing. I don't know why we didn't get one sooner.